Welcome back to a new video, guys, and we're finally back on the BMW. Now this is going to be, I'm going to get into this real quick because I just want to show you guys, if you're new to the channel, a little overview of everything that we've done on the BMW so far. Now just to stress that this is not the end of the BMW series, and also to stress this was never meant to be a project car. This is just literally our day-to-day diesel car which we use to go to and from work. The S5 is very much a project car. There is still a lot to do on the BMW, and there's a lot I'd like to do on the BMW. This is going to be a quick video of every single modifications that we've done so far to get to the stage that we're at now. Now whilst you guys are watching that, I'm going to clean the BMW because it is so filthy through the winter driving it every day to and from work. So I'm going to clean the car using the Last Coat products. Now this is sort of like a ceramic coating and a shampoo wash as well. I'll let you guys know how it goes at the end of this video. Enjoy the 1 Series build.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you.
Lose my mind, lose my mind, lose my mind.
I'm tired of hiding my emotions, don't wanna keep them to myself. I'm on the verge of an explosion, don't care about anybody else but you. Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you deal? Would you go? Let me know. So what if I just lose my mind? Maybe Make a scene and run around. Show you what I feel inside all the time. Hey. What if I just lose my mind? Scream until the air runs out. I don't really care, 'cause I lose my mind. Oh, oh, oh. I can't keep hiding in the darkness. My feelings need a little sun. I hope you don't think that I'm heartless. I just can't be the one you want right now. Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you deal? Would you go? Let me know. So what if I just lose my mind? Make a scene and run around. Show you what I feel inside all the time. Hey. What if I just lose my mind? Scream until the air runs out. I don't really care, 'cause I lose my mind. Oh, oh, oh. 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 Lose my mind. Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you deal? Would you go? Let me know.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving. But I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing. So I work the winnings and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the backs. I need racks, paper cash, buck attacks. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the record.
is it. I hope you've enjoyed this sort of little montage of everything that we've done to the BMW 1 Series, and this is it right now as it stands. Now obviously there's a lot more to do. I think I really want to go on the next modification to be the exhaust. Then the side skirts definitely need changing, or maybe side skirts add-ons or so. But as for the last coat, when we cleaned it with that, if I'm genuinely honest, this is probably the cleanest I've ever seen the car. And obviously a black car, it shows off all the imperfections and everything like that. But the last coat sort of gave it like a nice sort of clear coat, and it's absolutely shining now. So let's see how long this lasts in the winter months. And but yeah, I think I'll definitely be reordering. If you guys want to check out last coat, the link is in the description box below, and I've added a little coupon code because that's the type of guy I am. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. There's plenty more videos to come on the BMW 1 Series, and like I said, it's still an ongoing project. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.